See the pumpkin sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? Are they ill? They're so still. Wake up, little pumpkins. Hop, little pumpkins, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little pumpkins, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little pumpkins, hop, hop, hop. Hop, then stop. See the pumpkin sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up, little pumpkins. Jump, little pumpkins, jump, jump, jump. Jump, little pumpkins, jump, jump, jump. Jump, little pumpkins, jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, stop. Oh no, the pumpkins went back to sleep. See the pumpkin sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up, little pumpkins. Roll, little pumpkins, roll, roll, roll. Roll, little pumpkins, roll, roll, roll. Roll, little pumpkins, roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll. Stop. Bye, little pumpkins. Do you see what I have on my fingers? I have spiders. Look at the creepy crawly spiders. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spiders out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Oh no. Let's sing another Itsy Bitsy Spider. The creepy crawly spider went up the haunted house. Down came the ghost and let out a big howl. Down came the fog and scared the spider away. Then the itsy bitsy spider crawled up the house again. Will you count the pumpkins with me? 1, 2, 3. 3 little pumpkins stacked up high on top of each other on Halloween night. The top little pumpkin said, I know just what to do. Will you play peekaboo? Let's play peekaboo. Can you do that? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peeka, peeka, peekaboo. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The ghost on the bus says boo boo boo, boo boo boo, boo boo boo. The ghost on the bus says boo boo boo, all through the town. The skeleton on the bus goes clink clink clink, clink clink clink, clink clink clink. The skeleton on the bus says clink clink clink, all through the town. The bat on the bus goes flap, 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 flap. The bat on the bus goes flap, 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 all through the town. The pumpkin on the bus says roll, 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 roll. The pumpkin on the bus says roll, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Look what I have. This is a jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern starts with the letter J. Jack-o'-lantern. A jack-o'-lantern is a pumpkin with a face. Look at my face on my jack-o'-lantern. Let's count how many eyes are on our jack-o'-lantern. 1, 2. There are 2 eyes, just like me and you. 1, 2. What about the nose? How many noses do you see on our jack-o'-lantern? Let's count the nose. 1. Can you point to your nose? Nose. We have 1 nose. What about the mouth? Do you see the mouth on my jack-o'-lantern? Let's look at its mouth. Point to your mouth. There's my mouth. What is the mouth doing on my jack-o'-lantern? The mouth is smiling. Smile. Can you smile? Smile. Very good. Friends, look at the eyes and the nose on my jack-o'-lantern. What shape do you see? They are triangles. Very good. Jack-o'-lantern starts with the letter J. Friends, I am so excited. We're going to make a jack-o'-lantern with Levi. Levi, do you want to make a jack-o'-lantern with our friends? Yeah. Let's make a jack-o'-lantern. This is a craft you can do at home too. Let's start with our orange circle. Our orange oval. This is our pumpkin. We're going to put our eyes on our pumpkin. Yeah, let's put our eyes on it, Levi. We're going to use triangles for our eyes. We have 2 triangle eyes. So let's open our glue and put the triangles on. Let's put the glue on our triangle. And then we're going to put our triangle on our pumpkin. Can you pat, pat? Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Let's put on our other triangle. We'll have 2 triangle eyes. On our triangles. Ready, Levi? Pat, pat. Can you pat, pat? Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Good job. Now, let's put on a triangle nose. Triangle nose. Triangle nose. Let's put on the glue so it'll stick. Let's stick it on. Ready? Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Pat it down, Levi. Now it's time to put on the mouth. Look, Levi. It's a smiley mouth. Smiley mouth. Let's put the glue on our mouth and give our pumpkin a mouth. Let's put the mouth on our pumpkin and then its face will be complete and it'll be a jack-o'-lantern. Ready? Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Now we need to put the stem. Where's our stem? Uh-oh. Here it is. It fell on the floor. I found it. I found our stem. Our stem is brown. Let's put the stem on top. Put some glue and put the stem right there on top, on the back. Look, Levi, we made a jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. Can you show everyone your jack-o'-lantern? Jack-o'-lantern. Good job. Good job. Jack-o'-lantern starts with the letter J. 5 little jack-o'-lanterns sat on the gate. The first one said, "My, it's getting late." The second one said, "It's time for some fun." The third one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fourth one said, "Oh no, I must go." The fifth one said, "It's time to roll." Let's make a Halloween pattern. Pumpkin, ghost. Pumpkin, ghost. Pumpkin, ghost. Good job. Bat. Can you say bat? What letter do you think bat starts with? B, b, bat. B. Bat starts with the letter B. Pumpkin. P, p, pumpkin. What letter do you think pumpkin starts with? P, p, pumpkin. Pumpkin starts with P. Ghost. G, g, ghost. What letter do you think ghost starts with? G, g, ghost.
Mama.
Ghost starts with the letter G. Which pumpkin is big? Can you point to the big pumpkin? You ever seen inside of a pumpkin?
Yes.
Yes? What about you? Have you ever seen what it looks like inside a pumpkin? What do you think's inside? Candy? Ice cream? Let's look. I cut open a pumpkin earlier, and let's take a look at what's inside. Can you see what's inside?
It's seeds and pumpkin.
Yes, these are pumpkin guts. Inside pumpkins, you'll find seeds, and the stringy orange stuff is called pulp. Seeds are what you need to start growing a pumpkin. A pumpkin life cycle starts with the seed. You take a seed and you plant it in the soil. You give it water and sunlight, and it will grow into a pumpkin. And then next year, when you carve your pumpkin, you can use those seeds to plant in the ground and make a whole new pumpkin grow. Do you know what that's called, Logan? That's called the pumpkin life cycle. That's pretty cool. What do you think?
Yeah.
What about you? Have you ever planted a seed and watched it grow? Look at all of the bats. Can you find the purple bat? Which bat is purple? Now let's find the orange bat. Can you find the bat that is orange? Point to the orange bat. Good. Great job. High five. Look what I have. It's a skeleton. Do you know what a skeleton is made of? A skeleton is made of bones. Them bones, them bones, them dancing bones, them bones, them bones, them dancing bones, them bones, them bones, them dancing bones, dancing all around. The head bone's connected to the neck bone. The head bone's connected to the neck bone. The head bone's connected to the neck bone. Them bones, them bones, them bones. The neck bone's connected to the backbone. The neck bone's connected to the backbone. Them bones, them bones, them bones, bones, them bones will dance all night. Dance! If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to check out the channel and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. I had so much fun singing and learning all about Halloween with you today. I can't wait to see you next time at Pre-K with Kristen.